this week there is no such key trigger points for the commodity and currency market to move along, but there is a major key event lined up on Saturday, that is Jackson Hole synopsis, where the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell will give his speech and show his outlook that where the interest rates are headed and when will the pause or when will the pause be extended to. Hi, my name is Jatin Trivedi and I am explaining you the concept behind the key data events which is going to be lined up on the weekend Jackson Hole synopsis, which is going to be of importance, and the impacts will be reflected on the next week. So this week gold and silver prices are looking a little bit onto the bullish side as the dollar index is entering into a soft trend right now, taking the resistance of 103.5 from the rally that we have seen from 100.50 to 103.50. Now the dollar index is looking a little bit subdued at these levels of 103 juncture, and this is helping the overall commodity sentiment, including the gold silver prices and the base metal prices. Now the gold prices in MCX are taking strong support at 58,000 and looking very much likely that the 59,200 mark will be achieved this week itself, and the silver prices are in fact outperforming because of the base metal support that the silver prices are getting, and the gold prices which is already showing some positive signs. Silver prices are looking to outperform the base metal and the gold market. So I'm expecting silver prices to hit the levels of 72,500 to 73,000 this week itself, and provided whatever happens in Jackson Hole synopsis, where the Federal Reserve comes out with the updates about how the interest rate cycle might move on ahead, whether they are going to be aggressive towards the interest rate hike, this impact will be seen next week. So traders can benefit this week by taking long positions into the base metals and the bullions on dips or even on current market trend. So on base metals, I'm bullish for the targets of around 216 to 217 in zinc prices. In copper, I'm expecting 740, 745 levels, and on aluminum, I'm expecting 203 to 205 odd zones into the aluminum prices. Stop loss for the same will be 197 for aluminum, 209 for zinc, and 720 for copper. Gold, as I said, till the time it is trading above 57,800, the viewpoint is positive, and silver, till the time it is trading above 70,000, the viewpoint remains positive. Thank you. This is Jatin Trivedi signing off. See you in the next video as well.